Hey, hello. Testing, testing. Should I look? Check, check. Okay, good. Is this even a... Oh, I still have that there. Okay. Well, let's just leave it there, but we'll delete everything inside. Oh, wait, I don't know. I don't know. All right. All right, I think everything's working. How's everybody doing? Yeah, so let's see. All right, coughing stream, welcome in. Let's see, can I go like this and like this over here? Here we go. Can I also on this side over here, can I go to Twitch and have that open? Cool. Okay, let's do that. Here we go. Bum, 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 bum. Still no dark mode. Given 3 colors of resistor, you have to find its value in ohm. Bum 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 bum. Resistor color values are. Oh. In input we have red, black, brown. So in output we have 2 times 10. That plus the value is 200 ohm. What? What? Bum 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 bum. Red, black, brown. Oh, red, black, brown. Oh. Red is 2 times 10 plus 0. What? Resistor, oh, I didn't even, I just skipped that whole sentence of, oh, how to do it. Resistor value equals to the first color multiplied by 10, added to the second color, and this sum is multiplied by 10 to the power of the third color. Oh. I don't want to do that. I just don't. So we're going to skip it. We're going to the next one. And how are we doing? Bum, bum, bum. Lots of people on. Boy, this is the second full lobby here. Come on, computer. Come on, computer. So we're probably going to be working on the chat game, and I'm going to do Falling Sand, but I don't know. I don't really know how or why or what's going to happen. I think I would like to use a portion of the screen. So Falling Sand, Apollyon. Okay, you know, we can include both of these really. I want to do the Falling Sand, and I want to do the Apollonian gasket fractal. So maybe we could do like the main portion of the screen for the Falling Sand with chat integration. Okay. And then the side of the screen for leaderboard with Apollonian with the fractal decoration. That'd be good, right? I think so. I think so. Alright, another shortest one. In the whimsical world of AI art, the inhabitants are stick people, each with unique, expressive faces that capture their emotions. The fanciest stick people are addressed with the honorifics Mr. and Mrs., followed by their name. This indicates their esteemed status in society, and as such, they are permitted to wear a hat. Oh. Your task is, given the name of a stick person, sometimes preceded by an honorific, draw an ASCII portrait of them. Esteemed stick people, those with honorifics, always wear a hat. A hat looks as follows. Boom. The different possible names and their corresponding faces look as follows. Shocked, Sleepy, Bruh, Owl, and Glee. All stick people of the same body looks like this. Oh. What? A string full name is composed of one or two substrings, only the name or the name preceded by that. A picture drawn asks you to stick person. Oh, cool. It seems fun. Let's do it. Excuse me. This one seems fun. So let's draw a body. Let's make a... let's burp. Let's make a function called drawBody. And do it that way. Thank you very much. So we want to see out. Okay. Is it 3? 1, 2, 3, like that? I have no idea. No idea. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Draw body. So far we'll see what we got. Okay. And then we want to draw, and it's also working. Are those like that? Bum bum bum. Oh wait, is that on the same line? Are you kidding me, Jeff? Oh. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Alrighty then. Isn't that supposed to be? Oh. What? Oh, you're supposed to do a thing for that. Okay, whatever. Whatevs. Whatever evs, okay. Bum, 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 bum. Does that work now? For the body, draw body? Boom. Extra space there. I knew that. I knew it. I was aware. Okay, so that's the draw body function. So then we need to decide whether they have a hat or not. Okay. So let's look at, okay. Hold on, I have to ask AI. Do you want to see me ask AI? New question. Let's go. I want to keep that one so that I can I favorite that one? Share, export. No, I want to put it as a favorite conversation or something. Although I've already copied all the stuff from it. Oh, let's delete the rest of these. How about this? Delete these that way. Okay. And this one we don't really care. We'll come back to that. Okay, now we'll go with a new conversation. Okay. Computer, where's the thing? I don't see it. Now it's got it. I don't know what happened. It was freaking out. I don't like it. Okay. So now what was I doing? Oh yeah, okay, so in C++. How do I parse a string with a surname, or wait, with a surname, or with a title. Title, like Mr. or Mrs. And a name, please. Alright, we'll see what that gives. We'll see what happens. iString stream. Oh, that's right. Boy, it's been so long since I've done this. I need to do this more often. I just plain need to do it more often. And I need to hydrate here soon. Okay, so we're going to use the iString stream Mr. John Doe, iString stream ISSSTR, while string, okay, no wait, string title, first name, last name, ISS title, first name, last name. Oh, and it just does it. What? Well, that's handy. That's quite handy. So what are the includes we got here? String, IOStream, so we need the S stream. Okay, it doesn't like that. 300 baud goes, oh, are we waiting? Oh my god, I'm not going to read all that. We're done, bruh, we're done. Bruh. What is going on? What is happening? Alright, that was a glitch in the matrix. Thank you for being here. Thank you, everyone. I'll be disappearing from society now, without a trace left. Okay, so what did it say here? So then I just make two, like a title, first name. Okay. 2 strings. Excuse me, coming through. Watch out. Hold on. Oh, we can do that in main, inside main. All right. Excuse me. Pardon me. Coming through. String. Title. Name. Can we do that? Okay, good. We're doing it. Good. Okay, so what was the thing? Isn't it piping? You pipe, so then you need one of these. iString stream. We need an iString stream. Okay. And we already have it, right? Can we send in this string? String, Mr. John Doe. Okay, and then so we're gonna do that. Then we just do this. So it's just basically piping. Oh, so ISS pipe the title and the name. So will that work if one of them, like the title, doesn't exist? The provided code assumes that the string always contains a title, first name, and last name. It's a title doesn't exist. If the title doesn't exist, the code will treat the first name as the title, last name will be empty. When I handle case where the title may, you might need a more specific first. One way would be to check the first word of a string against a list of known titles. If the first word is a known title, you can parse the string as before. If the first word is not a known title, you can treat the entire string as the name. All right, complicated. STD set string titles, Mr., Miss, Ms., Doctor, word title, first name. If titles not count, okay, all right. Finish your code. Return 0, good, thank you, all right. ISS word, okay, if titles dot count word, what does that mean? Titles dot count word. Title equals word? Hey, what's up, Arslan? I am caffeinated and coding. I'm doing the coding challenges. I already have the draw body function, and I have to draw a Mr. or Mrs. And then if it's a Mr. or Mrs., I have to draw a hat. And then if it's a person, I have to draw I have to draw these people faces based on the description. And I'm quickly running out of time. I've got 5 minutes left. In this code, we do this. Okay. So Mr. and Mrs. If titles word count, else titles equals that string word word. Titles dot count word. If word is not in the set of known titles, you can do that. Oh, std set string titles. Oh, all right. So we also need this set. Okay, you know, this is really cool. I didn't know you could do that in C++. The whole set thing, that's really awesome. So in the set, what we want to have is std set of strings titles equals Mr. and Mrs. But we'll just take the whole thing so we can get the stuff right. Okay, so we have that and then this. So then we only want Mr. and Mrs. All right. We've got 4.5 minutes. I think we can do this. I don't know though. Ice word. Okay. So if titles word count. Okay, then go here. Titles word count. Titles count word. So word is the string. Okay. If titles dot count. Hold on. Let's take that out. If titles dot count word, but the word is full name, right? Title equals word. What does that mean? Titles.count full name. Title equals... No, we're just going to parse it like that. We don't need that. Otherwise, then we don't do that. And we're just going to do this. Name. Okay. So if there is a title, we don't even care what the title is. We just want to draw a hat. So then we want to just put it in here. See out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just want to draw a hat. That's it. That's it. Jeff, you're freaking out about all this? I know. I was freaking out about all of it. I blame the caffeine. And I also thank the caffeine. Thank you. Are those dashes? Okay, the hat is a dash. Bum 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 bum. But we want to get the name, so we want to parse it like that. Okay, then here with the name, let's see if that works. Mr. Glee. So it should give a hat. So there's no error, but there's no hat either. So if titles.count full name, is there a space there? So name becomes, oh. So is it just doing this one? So it's printing space and then name. So the first one, what now? Mr. Glue. I don't know what to do. Bum 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 bum. So titles.count full name. Okay. Why don't we print that? Does that return a integer? Where's the AI? Titles.count. Okay. Please be as brief as possible with your answer. Returns the number of elements, so it's an integer. Return 1 if word is in the set, otherwise 0. Okay, so it's an integer, I think. So it must be going here, but it's not printing the hat. I don't think so, though. Excuse me, I think it's going here. No. And then why is it printing a space, though? And then it's printing... No. So it is just getting the name, and then it's not getting the title. Oh! Bum 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 bum. So Mr. and Mrs. it's not showing up in there? So, hold on. Oh, because you didn't parse it yet. Son of a bean dip. Isn't it? So word to ice, titles count word. Oh, okay. I'm not going to be able to work on it, am I? Alright. That sucked. I need more time. I need more time. Alright, hopefully we'll get one of these that's a reverse. Bum 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 bum. Alright, what else are we going to do? Okay, side of the screen for leaderboard fractal decoration. Okay. I also want to do, let's see. Wait, where are we at? Where are we at? What's going on? Okay. So let's go into here and ask a question. Is there any way that I can use React inside my chat overlay, which is an HTML page running in OES? Bum 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 bum. Yes, you can use React inside your chat overlay in OBS. Here's the general steps you need to follow. Create a React application or appear in your chat overlay. You can create a new React application, create a React app. Develop your chat overlay to chat as a React application. You create complex chat messages, username times, you use websites, simple times, chat time. Once you develop your chat overlay, you need to create a static. You can host on a server. Host the build React application on the local server on your machine or a remote cutoff server. You need to have an URL that points to the host chat overlay. Add the chat overlay to OBS. Remember, this is a high-level overview of access to very potential setup. You might want to get an AI that doesn't display a 300 baud. Refer to this. How do I set up a WebSocket for real-time chat in React? Oh, what are some best practices for optimizing performance in OBS layers? Okay. Let's see what that is. I think that based on the question that it was prompting me there. Because I have no idea. No idea. Yes, you can definitely set up a real-time chat on your website using React. Here's some general steps you can follow. Choose a real-time communication library such as Socket.io or Firebase's Cloud Firestore are commonly used for real-time communication. Create chat components, set up real-time communication, store and retrieve messages. Okay. Firebase provides an easy-to-use authentication service. All right. We're just a simple HTML component. Yes, you can host your OBS stream on your website and it can be done using React. Here's a high level. What? Really? So I can make my own little Twitch. I don't need Twitch. Set up your stream on a platform like YouTube or Twitch supports embedding. Oh, and then embed the code. Okay. Never mind. Copy. I already knew that. Moving on. Moving on. Good luck. Thank you. Okay, good. Awesome. Okay. So shortest mode. Yeah. Alright, I think we're done with coding game for now because I'm not getting any good challenges that I really want to do. And I did the one challenge I want to do. I needed a little more time. Alright, sorry. So let's look at the chat game here. Let's look at it. And let's see what we can do to shrink it down to usable. How about that? So what do we got? The first thing is, I'm going to look at this really quick. Init game, okay? So Space Gem's in it, I am GUI, music. I don't think we need the music yet. Pretty sure. Plus, I think with the stream, if we're going to run this on the stream, we're gonna have our own music. Like what I have going in the background right now. So we got that. I don't think we'll need this. Set up font for I am GUI. Clean up, destroy. Okay. We're not going to do any music stuff. Volume level, loop music. No, we're not going to use it. So we do have the chat log. That's fine. I'm not worried. Okay, so back to init. So it doesn't really do anything. Space Gem's in it. OpenGL basic Windows system. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. So then it'll do the client send message, which is really cool. Type fire. Actually, let's do this. We're going to change this. Type sand. XY. And then we're just going to do 0. No, we're going to do 1 to 100, I guess. Oh, we also need a color. But we can start with random colors. Okay, game loop. We're gonna get this per time frame logic. Clear input. Swap now. Window. Okay. All right. So that's it. And okay, cleanup. Cleanup, is that down here? Yeah, so log file close, IMGUI destroy spaceman. Okay, so let's try to run it again. I got an error last time, and every time. Oh, thank you for the subscription, V1NI99. Okay, now we're going to close it out. Okay, we got an error though. What's this? Shouldn't it exit cleanly because I'm not doing anything? Let's ask the AI what we're doing wrong. So, what does this Visual Studio error upon relatively clean exit mean, please? See what it says. Because maybe there's something that I'm missing, because I'm not doing hardly anything. Is a hexadecimal representation of which indicates an access violation. Error can occur for editing, including dereferencing a null pointer or referencing an invalid address. I'm sure the Visual Studios... Oh, actually that might not be a bad idea. One moment stream, please stand by. Updating Visual Studio. Download size. Let's do this real quick. You know, I'm a nerd and I really like watching the download bars go up. Oh. Alrighty, here we go. Bum, 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 bum. Really not sure how long I'm going to stream today, but I think I might just leave it going all day to try to motivate myself to just do some fun stuff with code today. Before we get started, save your work. We need to close the following process. Select continue to save its current state, close it, and restart. There we go. Just do it. Okay, let's try a challenge while we wait. 5 minutes to go. Julian's kids played with our alarm clock and now the embedded projector displays the time. Well, upside down on the wall, reversed horizontally and vertically. Oh, marked swiftly on the rooms while the digits are now in reverse order. 0 is now readable as over that. 1 is readable as I or 1. 2 is displayed as 2. 3 is E. 4 is H. 5 is now S or 5. 6 is now 9. 7 is now L. 8 is 8. 6 is now 6. 9 is now 6. The readable text projected on the wall. Pardon me. I don't want to do that one. Given a temperature from low to high. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm going to get some water. Water. You know, I should just create some kind of a, could do that in there too. 335 packages. Oops. Oh, keep that going, keep that going. Alright, we'll keep that going. Okay. Bum 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 bum. Also, to kind of let everybody know, there's only a few people watching, but people watch on YouTube. I actually have a second monitor now, so I can watch chat. Which reminds me, I should probably go to YouTube and get my chat from YouTube and pop it out. There we go. Whoops, where'd it go? And it's gone. There. So this one, can I go half screen? And do that? No. How do we hide? Oh, all right. Stop the madness. Oh, okay. It's still visible there. Everything's still visible. Can I hide the quick actions? So this is a layout, right? I forget how to modify the layout. Edit stream manager panels. We just don't want to show hitter. Oh, that is incredibly unhelpful. There. Why would you do that? Save layout changes. I don't know yet. I want to go like that. Oh, there. Okay, that is looking perfect. Looking perfect. There. And now it's perfect. Okay, now I can take this guy and go right there. There we go. Pills are good. Bum, bum, bum. All right. Pills are good. Oh my goodness. All right, come on. 10 left to go. 67% with 10 packages to go. All right, I got that organized now. This little second monitor is organized. Just so all of you in chat that can't see it are really excited to find that out. Let's do another challenge. I know. Another one. Excuse me. Bum, 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 Here we go. Here we go. We jumped up to 90%. Almost there. Come on. Computer, I can't fail at programming without Visual Studio. That's not true, but... I can fail at programming without Visual Studio just as well as with. So there we go. I can also succeed in... Oh, is that... Bum, 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 bum. See who's on Twitch. Thor, of course. Marar, Per, Zemi, gotcha. Let's go here. Bum, bum, bum. Alright, we're good. Alright, fastest, oh, good, Saved by the Bell. Visual Studio is starting up. Bum, bum, bum. So I wonder if I actually just don't call, or let's see, I don't think that fixed it. I'm almost 100% sure. But let's at least, the installation is completed. So let's run that, okay. What do we got? Okay, so it's right, it's after the program exits, so it's something in the cleanup, okay. Let's just do Space Gems cleanup. What does that involve? What all did I put in here? Key callback, connect, clear, cleanup. Just GLFW terminate. I don't even close anything. So chat game. Chat game manager. Okay, so let's just try to, let's say, comment out the log file. Although it's maybe it's IMGUI stuff? Could it be the IMGUI stuff? No. Yeah? No. Really? Oh, I don't know. We're just going to comment them out one by one, then we'll do two at a time. Until we figure out what exactly. Nope, so it's not, so the log file is fine. It's fine. You know what? It's fine. Let's go like this, because I know cleanup is just closing out, so it's got to be IMGUI, right? But why? Why would you do that? Why? Why do you do that? Okay, it's fine. So it's the ImGUI stuff. Why? Why would ImGUI do that? Is it because I didn't call anything in ImGUI? Or it's not GUI enough? Or... Huh. I don't know. That is bizarre. That's weird, wild, wacky stuff. Stuffs. So that's weird. I mean, let me hold on. Let me hold on. Let me see. I'm telling on you. Okay, where are we at? In C++, learn React and JavaScript, okay. I just want to see what the AI is going to say about this. That's it. It's possible the error you're seeing often indicates an issue with memory access could be created related to how ImGUI is being closed or cleaned up. Here's a few things to check. Proper shutdown, null pointers, memory. Okay, so ImGUI might be shutting down something that's not really initialized until you use ImGUI? Okay. I just want a thorough conversation. This is it. This is it. Just being super thorough, nerdy thorough. We're starting out with errors with nothing going on, so... Okay, that could indeed be the issue. Done. You don't need the rest of the essay. You're going to give me an essay, I know. Thank you. Alright. Here's a... We're good, computer. Bruh. Oh, but you must give them the essay as well. Put it down. Finish the essay. Alright. 300 baud. Slower if possible. Alright. Thank you. Thank you. Good. Alright. So it's just that. So I bet you if I draw something in ImGUI, it's fine. Okay, so assuming that, what do we want to do? So the first thing, let's just let's parse the chat. So let's see if we can load it up, and everything's working. Client.send message game loop. So let's look at the main game loop here. Now we're getting exciting stuff. So the game loop here, okay. And previously we had, I don't think it's in any of this stuff here. Okay. So previously in the game loop we did have, so let's open and steal some stuff from chat game, Space Gems, Game Manager 4, this one, probably in here. Because I think it's still all in main, right in here. Okay, client has new message. Okay, here it is. So check. So do we have to do this too? Twitch integration poll for input. Okay. Excuse me. Pardon me. Excuse me. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. You know what? You know what? I want to do something weird. Let's do something weird. Twitch chat client, close that for now. System chat game, close that for now. System Space Gems, close that. Okay, right in here. So right in here. Okay, you see this frame stuff in this? So what I previously have done in every single demo since Andre Lamoth, thank you Andre Lamoth, is I have calculated the delta time between frames and then checked to see 60 frames per second. So if enough time has passed so that we can do a frame and it'll be 60 frames a second maximum, go ahead. That is why you see this weird code right here. That's it. That's it. Okay. So what I want to do now is not put any throttle limit, find out how many frames per second, and report that in the chat. Okay. So now this is the chat manager. So let's put these in: current frame, delta time, last frame. Actually, hold on. I know the only thing I need is a counter. So the only thing I need is a counter. Excuse me. So all we need is a chat log file. Okay. Let's go with an unsigned integer, FPS. Okay. Do we need something to tell me? So what exactly does GLFW get time? Okay, so FPS, let's uncomment this. So what does this do? Returns the GLFW time. The function returns the current time in seconds. Unless the time has been set using time, it measures time elapsed since GLFW was initialized. In seconds. Okay. So it's 0 point something, 1 point something. Okay, so if we multiply this by 1,000, we'll get the milliseconds. Okay. So we just want to go like that. So when we report the frames, what do we want to do? So each frame, we just want to go FPS plus plus, every frame. Started out at 0. Computer. So let's keep track of seconds. So we also need another variable. We need a unsigned integer again, I guess. Seconds. All right. So we also need to know the last seconds. Seconds equals 0, last seconds equals 0. So what we're going to do is so as the time goes by, we're going to keep track of what second we are on. And if, so what are we going to do? If seconds equals last second. Wait, how are we going to do this? So we're going to go through everything 0 at first. Okay, so frames per second is 0. So what's happening is seconds is going to equal GLF get W. Okay, but we're also going to round it down. So we're going to go floor. Okay, and then because it's going to be a floor, we want to cast that to an unsigned integer. And then assign that to the seconds. Now, if seconds is not equal to last seconds, then we know that a second has passed. That is the moment that a second has passed. So we want to update client.message. Send a message. Okay. Sure, I can help that. Convert the FPS unsigned string, use the two string, right, gotcha, okay. So then we're just, okay, there's that, seconds last, okay, all right, everything in this code, okay. Computer, don't scroll. std string FPS message equals current FPS plus. Oh, you can do that? You can just do that and send message, reset FPS counter for the next second. Oh, that's a good idea. So we need all this code. FPS plus seconds, and then do that. So last seconds equals seconds, but we don't want that to happen each frame, we only want it to happen right there. So last seconds will now equal seconds, and then seconds will be reset until it's a different number, and then it'll do this, and then it'll report it. So why did it put it outside the loop? All right, let's see if this works. Honestly, I'm not sure how many frames per second. Oh, look at that. Oh, why is it maxing at 60? Interesting. There you go, chat. 60 frames a second. Why is it maxing at 60, though? Can be capped? No, that's not the question. Oh, what? Vertical sync is a graphics sync, not a sync is a frame rate. If the VSync is enabled, it could cap the frame rate to match the monitor's refresh rate? Oh. Oh, okay. I'm okay with that. Okay, good. Wait a minute. Okay, so oh. Oh my god, I didn't know this the entire time. Wow. Okay, the swap buffer command. Yeah. So the swap buffer command happens right here. So this is where this is where there's a bottleneck because of vsync. I did not know that. That is crazy. Okay, so because it does the swap and because of vsync, that's where the program will literally hang there and wait because it will wait for To truly take advantage of this waiting time, you would need to use multi-threading where one thread handles rendering and another handles your extra computations. Multi-threading can be complex and may introduce issues such as race conditions. If you're not careful, performing extra computations while waiting for vsync could introduce input lag. This is because the time spent on these computations could delay the processing of input. Depending on the nature of your computations, you might not always have the same amount of extra time between each frame. This could lead to performance. So it's possible use the time waiting for anything. No. That's literally, this is crazy. Yeah, okay, cool. Alrighty, I'm back. Let's pause for just a second from the music and go see if we can see what's happening on Twitch. We've got Marauer Per. She's modding Fallout 1 and Fallout 2. Oh, he's playing Noita?
Battery 1 in the water is bad. It's not good. It's not good.
Because I want to do the Fallout.
I was intelligent, alright? Was. I survived very many horrible things.
Standard issue Alex with 1000 bits said, "Hey Thor, long time watcher, first time stream.
Ooh.
I am a very old school, hands-on guy and don't know tech very well.
Okay.
I have absolutely no interest in coding but feel like society and tech will leave me in the dust if I don't learn. Do I force myself to learn coding or just kinda vibe like a caveman?"
You don't need to be seeing yourself as a caveman. I'll give you an example. My buddy next door owns his house. Awesome dude. And he does construction work for the city. You don't need to be a programmer. You can do whatever you want. Like, technology is also going to need infrastructure, which needs to be built by people and maintained by people. You don't have to be a coder. Like, that doesn't need to happen. So to be real with you, do what you want to do. And find a way to make a living doing that. Or make a living on the side.
That's a good
and
answer.
do what you want to do outside of that, right? So yeah, don't feel compelled like you have to. It should never be like you have to. You should try things. You should see what you want to do. And go from there, yeah. Be a construction worker. Be an electrician. Be a plumber. Be a garbage man. Whatever it's going to be that gets your bills paid.